Give us background to the story.
A very good morning, Treasury. Yes, indeed, 10 suspects are expected to appear in this East London Magistrate's Court. This talks to that Sienza Group tender toilet scandal that made its way in the Eastern Cape, in the Amathole District Municipality. As you've said, over 200 million of that money was already awarded to the contractor, and it has been an outcry, a center of debate in the Eastern Cape, as many communities were complaining that they do not have toilets. Some, they were saying they're falling, and we've seen slabs and materials of those toilets that were to be built that were never built, to a point that the municipality was embarking on the recommendations of the public actually make sure that they open criminal charges against those implicated. And we know that they opened charges against the former municipal manager of the municipality in also trying to get back the money. And now it has come to this, where Hawks have made arrests of the 10 suspects that were allegedly involved in this. But with me, Desiree, I'm joined by the Hawks spokesperson, Ms. Katlego Mogale, to tell us more. Ms. Katlego, thank you so much for your time. This has been something that has been over the Amathole District for years. Tell us about your investigation, and I know some details you might not be in a position to disclose.
Yes, this morning, or rather yesterday, a breakthrough was made wherein 10 suspects were arrested, and they will be appearing this morning in court on charges of fraud, corruption, and money laundering. This is one of the breakthroughs, as you have already said, that this case has been going on for a long time, since the recommendations of the public protector.
And are we talking about people who are within the municipality?
Yes, some of the suspects are within the municipality, and others were service providers.
And most of the time we hear of these big heads that are arrested, top brass within the municipalities outside. The matters come to court, but in those, at times, unfortunately, we see those matters being struck off the roll. We had the Nelson Mandela funeral saga. We had councillors from the Raymond Mhlaba municipality, where you made arrests and you were confident that you will get something in court. But as we speak, those are not in court. What I'm coming to is that, are you confident that you have gathered all the evidence that would make sure that they stand trial and that they are found guilty?
The evidence that has been collected, yes, is very solid, and we are confident that there will be a conviction eventually.
And the NPA is also in your deliberations with them, confident that this is a court that will not, at the end of the day, embarrass these state organs that seem to be making arrests that never see conviction at the end of the day.
Yes, definitely. As you know, that the justice system is a partnership with various stakeholders, and the NPA is one of them. And we are confident that this evidence that we've collected will take us through to a conviction.
Ms. Mogale, thank you so much for your time. Katlego Mogale, the spokesperson for Hawks nationally, saying that they are confident that the evidence that they've gathered will lead to conviction. The suspects will appear in court any minute from now, and I can tell you that there's a huge interest in this case, as people have been asked to gather outside because there are too much that the courtroom might not be able to accommodate them all. There's a huge interest in the case, and it is yet to be seen as to if there will be more arrests to be made after this. Back to you in studio.
All right, let's take a break. You're watching The Agenda.